Hello and welcome to today's video. This is a video that's tailored toward the beginner woodworker or somebody who's, wants to get familiar with the proper use of drills and impact drivers. Now I have right here 3 different tools. They look almost the same. To the untrained eye, you would think they're the same, they do the same thing. But each one of these, my dog always wants to make noise when I'm trying to shoot a video. Anyway, like I'm saying, each of these drills has their pros and cons. You would choose each drill based off of the task that you want it to perform. So I'm going to perform a few tasks, but first I'm going to show you the impact driver. This looks like a drill, but it's not a drill. It's an impact driver. When I say impact, you'll notice as I drive this screw into the board, you hear how it starts clicking like that. That's the impact drive. That's where it gets its name, impact driver. It uses force, like a back and forth. I don't know. It uses impact to drive whatever you're driving or trying to loosen. It comes in handy, especially if you've got a screw that's kind of, it may be rusted on, or if you've got a bolt or something that's rusted on, that impact will kind of, shake the screw loose. But not only can you drive screws, but you can also drill holes. Now, the cons to this drill is this one in particular, which is, of course, it's Milwaukee, but as far as the model number, well, let's skip the model number. All right, anyway, where was I going? All right, yeah, some of the cons with this unit right here is you don't have any speed or torque settings. It's just hit the button and go. You change your bit by pulling up on this neck and then sliding it out. This will actually lock into place so that it cannot come out. It won't come out until you lift the collar up. All right, so now the next one. This is just a drill. Now there's a couple of functions on this drill. You've got a set of numbers right here. This is what's called your torque settings. Well, let me start by showing you the features of the drill. You've got a forward and reverse button right here where I can go that way, reverse it, and that's how you change your bits. You stick your bit in, you hold the tip with one hand, and you spin it counterclockwise. Now you want to be careful whenever you're putting your drill bit in that it's properly aligned in the teeth of the chuck. Sometimes if you're going real fast, you can get it in there crooked. I was trying to see if I could get it in there crooked. Anyway, you got to be careful not to get it crooked. Make sure that it's straight. Okay, in addition to the torque settings, ranging from 1 to 13 on this particular model, I also have another this is my Milwaukee, same functions. You got a high and low and high. Same here, you've got low and high. And in addition to your torque settings, you also have the drill setting right here that looks like a drill bit. That's what you need it set on whenever you're drilling holes. Now, let's say, for instance, if you're working with wood that strips very easily, like you can, if you were to drive a screw into it, it would strip out if the torque setting is too high. So what you can do is you can lower your torque setting. Let me take this bit out. You usually have to turn your torque setting up to have to take your drill out. Now I've got it in reverse. It's open. Now I want to close it. I reverse it. And I like to, on a nice high torque setting, that lets me make sure that that bit is nice and secure inside my chuck. Now, right now I've got it set on its highest torque setting. It's going to drive this screw with no problem. But as it gets to the surface, you notice my torque kicked in. My torque. If I did not have that set the way that it's set, I run the risk of snapping the head of that screw off. This drill probably wouldn't do it, but I'm almost certain the Milwaukee would. Let's see if I can snap this head off. Now I've got it set on drill. Bootsy, go sit your ass down somewhere. All right, I've got it set on drill. Now, and this is the little DeWalt drill. This is the 12-volt version. Let's see if we can get get that baby to snap. See if we can get it to snap with. All right, got it set on drill. Nope, but you notice instead of it starting to click, it just completely just keeps drilling, and now that hole is stripped out. So, yeah, stripped out completely. Now let me show you how you keep it from stripping like that. You adjust your torque to a lower setting. Right now I've got it set on 8. See what it does. As soon as it gets to the level, even with the piece that you're drilling, it lets up. So let's see if we put it on its lowest torque setting. Well, let me take this out first. I'm gonna put it on its lowest torque setting, which is 2. It might not even drive good. Oh yeah, it will. But that's how you keep from stripping the holes in your wood. All right, now let's go to the big daddy. This drill right here is responsible for ripping my thumbnail out and breaking my thumb. I always work with gloves on. They're usually a cut resistant glove. And I was doing something one day and my glove got caught in it. Before I could pull my finger off the trigger, my glove got caught in the bit. It wound all the way around, like twisted my whole glove, snapped my thumb, and pulled out my thumb at the same time. It happened so fast and I was so scared. I was scared to take my glove off because I didn't even know if my thumb was still attached. Thank God it was, but yeah. This is a beast. If anything will snap the screw, I know this one will, but with this being a soft wood, it's probably just gonna strip the wood before it actually snaps the head off. All right, so now another thing about this drill, this is also a hammer drill. So we've got the other function for drilling when you're using your drill bit. Then we've got the setting for screws. Then we've got the hammer drill function. The hammer drill is used for use with masonry bits. This is a masonry bit. It's got a spade head on it, specifically designed for drilling into concrete. All right, so first, let's run some screws with it. See how powerful that thing is. Oh, I had it on hammer. That's why it was making that noise. the drill function with the torque setting. Now let's put it on drill. Let's see if we can snap the head of this screw off. Probably won't do it on this. I'll go grab a piece of hardwood. Grab a piece of hardwood. Let's see what I got that's hard. Anyway, I don't feel like looking for a piece of hardwood, so just take my word for it. This will snap the head of a screw off. All right, now let's go to the hammer drill function. Let's get that bit out. Let's get this nice size. Ooh, yeah, it hurt you there. Like I said, I like to let it bang around, let that torque setting, make sure that my drill bit is nice and tight in the chuck. Now, let's adjust it to the hammer portion. Now, what that does is it vibrates the bit as it's rotating. That was quick. Messed up my little tabletop. That's too easy, man. So that, my friends, is how you use a drill. Thank you for watching. If you found it informative, please hit the like button. Also, if you would like more do-it-yourself and woodworking videos, hit the subscribe button. Any questions and comments, leave them below. Thank you.